everyone! Welcome to the video. Today, we're tackling a common Flutter problem, the invalid image data error. It can be super frustrating when your images just won't load, right? This error usually means Flutter can't understand the image file you're trying to display. It's like trying to read a book written in a language you don't know. But don't worry, we'll go through some straightforward steps to fix it. Let's dive in. First, let's understand why this happens. One major reason is a corrupted image file. Maybe it didn't download completely, or it got damaged somewhere along the way. Another common cause is an incorrect file format. You might be trying to load a PDF file, for instance, but Flutter expects a JPG or PNG. Sometimes, if you're working with base64 encoded images, the encoding or decoding process might be flawed. My first tip for fixing this is to verify your image source. If it's a local image, double-check the file path. Make sure the image actually exists at that location and that your app has permission to read it. For network images, copy the URL and paste it into a web browser. Does the image load correctly there? If not, the problem might be with the server providing the image, not your Flutter app. Also, ensure the server is sending the correct content type header. Next, always check the actual file format. Just because a file ends with .jpg doesn't mean it's a valid JPEG. Sometimes, files are renamed incorrectly. You can use online tools or specific libraries to identify the true format of an image. If you're dealing with base64 encoded strings, this is a frequent source of issues. Make sure your base64 string is properly formed. Often, network APIs might include a prefix like data, image/png, base64, before the actual base64 data. You need to remove this prefix before you use base64 decode from Dart convert. Then, you can display it using image.memory. Another good practice is to implement robust error handling. Flutter's image.network widget has an error builder property. Use this to catch errors gracefully. You can display a placeholder image or an error message instead of letting your app crash. This also helps you log the specific error for debugging. If you're using a third-party package for image loading, like cached_network_image, ensure it's up to date. Sometimes, older versions have bugs that cause these issues. Check their documentation for any specific requirements or known problems. Finally, when you're debugging, don't be afraid to print out the raw data. If you're getting image bytes, print them. If it's a base64 string, print the full string. This can help you see exactly what Flutter is trying to process. It allows you to spot incorrect prefixes, corrupted data, or unexpected characters. These steps should cover most invalid image data errors you encounter. Just work through them methodically. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope these tips help you solve your image loading problems in Flutter. If you found this useful, please hit the like button, leave a comment with your thoughts or any other solutions you found, and share it with other Flutter developers. Your support really helps the channel grow. See you next time.